emotions जो होते हैं, they have a certain purpose, they serve a certain purpose, okay, and different emotions will have different purposes. जिससे हमने बात करी थी पहले secondary gain, what is the benefit of this, okay, that benefit is the purpose, the secondary gain in some way जो कि उसको मिल रहा है. Negative emotions, as we said, come from different interpretations of life events as threatening to our well-being. Every emotion that a person experiences serves a purpose, the higher intention. Okay, there are few possibilities. This is not true for everyone. This is not true for every person you meet, but there is something that they are getting that you need to find out. Okay, in general, what you will find is anger. कोई आपके पास आता है, आपके मैनुअल में you have an एंगर मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर एक स्क्रिप्ट है कंप्लीट. एंगर में जो एंगर जो होता है, एक people often use it as a defense mechanism. Okay, I've seen really fearful people who put a shell of anger around them. Okay, it's like मैंने देखा ऐसे लोग जो अंदर से एक सहमा हुआ बच्चा या बच्ची है, लेकिन उस सहमे हुए बच्चे या बच्ची ने अपने ऊपर एक ऑरा लगा लिया है, you know, angry young man वाला या angry young woman वाला, but deep inside they are really insecure. So that anger is just that protective shield that they have put around themselves, and I can see through that protective shield. And once you see through that, they're like उनकी सारी insecurities जो होती हैं एकदम से बाहर आती हैं. Okay, and that's very common. It's like it's very easy to see as well, लेकिन अभी हम उसके ऊपर नहीं जा रहे हैं. So the anger जो है, it serves as a defense mechanism for some people. Then fear